Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed a few important results that can be obtained using the properties of arithmetic progression. And in this video we are going to see what is geometric progression. So geometric progression is a sequence of numbers whose first term is non-zero and each of the succeeding terms is equal to the preceding terms multiplied by a constant term. Thus, in a GP, the ratio of nth term and n minus 1th term is constant, and this constant factor is called the common ratio of the series. So, when we represent a geometric progression in mathematical terms, then the sequence a comma a into r comma a into r square comma a into r cube is a GP with a as the first term and r as the common ratio. A and r can take any numerical value. Let's see an example by taking a equal to 4 and r equal to 2. Then the first term will be 4 and the second term will be 4 into the common ratio is 2, which is equal to 4 into 2 is 8, comma. The third term will be 8 into 2, that will be equal to 16, comma. The fourth term will be equal to 16 into 2, that will be equal to 32, comma, so on. So when we write these terms, it will be 4, comma, 8, comma, 16, comma, 32, comma, so on. So we can say that this sequence is a GP with the first term equal to 4 and the common ratio r equal to 2. Now let's take a sequence and check whether it is geometric progression or not. So if suppose we take the sequence 2, 6, 18, 54, so on. Now to check whether this is a geometric progression or not, we need to see the ratio of nth term and n minus 1th term. So the ratio of the second term and the first term will be equal to 6 by 2. That will be equal to 6 can be written as 3 times 2 by 2. So when you cancel 2 and 2, we'll be left with 3. And now the ratio of the third term and the second term will be 18 by 6. That will be equal to 18 can be written as 6 into 3 by 6. When you cancel 6 and 6, we'll again be left with 3. And similarly, the fourth term divided by the third term will be equal to 54 can be written as 3 times 18 by 18. So we can cancel 18 and 18 and this will be again 3. So here we can see that the ratio of the nth term and the n minus 1th term is always constant and that constant equal to 3. So we can tell that the common ratio is equal to 3. That means the given sequence is a geometric progression with first term equal to 2 and common ratio equal to 3. Hope you understood well. Thank you.